Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn faster, drawing insights from Dr. Andrew Huberman's research. We'll explore how your brain's ability to change, known as neuroplasticity, is key to acquiring new skills and knowledge. Understanding these mechanisms can significantly boost your learning efficiency. We'll cover the importance of focused attention and the critical role sleep plays in solidifying what you've learned. Dr. Huberman emphasizes several core principles for accelerating your learning. First, structure your study time into focused 90-minute blocks, as this aligns with natural ultradian rhythms for peak concentration. Second, actively test yourself on new material rather than just rereading. This strengthens memory pathways. Finally, don't fear making mistakes. Errors are powerful signals that tell your brain to adapt and change, driving neuroplasticity. To truly optimize your learning, consider your environment and daily habits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is when your brain actively rewires and consolidates memories. Additionally, integrate short non-sleep deep rest sessions or brief naps under 20 minutes to further enhance memory consolidation. Regular physical activity also plays a vital role, fostering the growth of new neurons and boosting overall brain adaptability. For advanced learning, consider specific daily tools. Expose your eyes to morning sunlight for 10 to 30 minutes to boost alertness and set your circadian rhythm. Also, try delaying your first caffeine intake by 90 to 120 minutes after waking. This can lead to more sustained energy and focus throughout your learning sessions. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other helpful deals. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.